name is Shivaji sir. Today's topic is the Earth in the solar system, Geography, Class 6th, Part 2. The Sun, 8 planets and their satellites, and asteroids together known as the solar system. The 8 planets, their satellites and asteroids revolves around the Sun in the solar system. The Sun is the head of the solar family. The following words we are discussing in this lesson. They are the full moon. Full moon is also known as Purnima. Once in a month you can see the full moon. After the full moon, within a fortnight, the moon is vanishing, means disappearing, and converted into the new moon. The new moon is also known as the Amavasya. Celestial bodies, the stars, the moon, and other shiny objects which are shining in the clear sky are known as the celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night are called the celestial bodies. Stars. Stars are the self-luminous bodies. They are larger than the planets. They produces the heat and light. The energy produced by the stars are known as the solar energy. Example for the stars: sun, planets. The planets receives the heat and light which emits by the stars. The sun is a star which emits heat and light. It is known as the solar energy. It should be received by the planet Earth. Earth is an example for the planet. The word planet is derived from the Greek words planetoi, which means wanderer. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by the different groups of the stars. These are called the constellations. Pole star. In the ancient times, the people used to determine directions during the night time with the help of the stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called pole star. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus have rings around them. These are the belts of small debris. The word Sol in the Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to the sun. The family of the sun is also known as the solar system. The word geography is derived from the Greek words geo, meaning earth, graphy, meaning writing. In the same way, the following words are also derived from the Greek language: geology, geometry, geoid. Geology, which is used to study the condition of the earth. Geometry, which is used for the measurement of the earth. Geoid, resembling the shape or form of the earth. The people who are studying the heavenly bodies or celestial bodies and their movements are known as the astronomers. Aryabhatta and Varahamihra are the famous astronomers in India in the ancient days. Aryabhatta proved the planets and satellites moves around the stars. The celestial bodies, which are in large size and produces huge amount of the heat and gases, are known as the stars. Example, sun. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. In the solar system, the position of the earth is third. The earth receives heat and light. Orbits. The planets are moving in their paths. While moving around the stars, the earth is a planet which moves around the sun in a specific path. It is known as the orbit. The natural satellite to the earth is moon. The speed of the light is 3 lakh kilometers per second. The sun ray reaches to the earth's surface within 8 seconds. Satellites, natural satellites and artificial satellites are there. Artificial satellites are used to gather the information about the universe and send the communications to the different types of the phones. Examples: INSAT, IRS and EduSat, etc. asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also moves around the sun. But these tiny bodies are found between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids. The small pieces of the rocks which move around the sun are called the meteoroids. They are generally reaches to the earth's surface with a small pieces of the rocks. Sometimes they are disappeared due to the friction in the atmosphere. In the air, they burn also. Thank you. Have a nice day.